Hi everyone, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this mnemonic in quick and easy steps, and I will also talk about the polar grid tool which Illustrator recently included in its tool library. So without any further delay, let's start that. New artboard, and in tool library, here you will see a polar grid tool. Okay, um, just drag it. You'll see structure like this. So hold on shift, and with up arrow button you can increase the circle, and with down arrow you can decrease the circle. It's radar or pie chart, or or a clean radar thing, or a pie diagram, or a chart diagram. So it's a very nice and very brilliant thing which Illustrator has included in it to library. So yeah, we are talking about zigzag thing. So let's go with this much. Okay, my bad. Yep. Let's align it to the center of artboard, and after this ungroup it, delete, then select effect, go to distort and transform, zigzag. Yep, now you can see it clearly. And so from here you can play with the options which is in dialog box. I mean, it's completely depend on your creativity, how you wanna see this mnemonic, or how you wanna make this mnemonic, in what size you wanna make it. So it's completely depend on you, and I really like this option which Illustrator has uploaded. And so yeah, you can enjoy it from here, and rest is upon you. So do like this video, do subscribe my channel, and do press the bell icon for the next upcoming videos. Thank you so much.